Hello, everyone, and welcome. If you could do me a favor and please click on your smiley faces to let me know you can hear me all right. And my name is Jennifer Weiser, and for the next 20 minutes, we'll be exploring picture storybooks together. All right, thank you, everyone. Feel free to keep marking if you're not done. Many of us make our reading selections through discovery. We scan the library shelves hunting for something exciting, or we seek out the classics we know and love. While these methods can be very satisfying, there are other approaches to selecting books that you might find useful, and that surely will excite and engage children. In this session, we're going to explore how to find picture storybooks that specifically match the needs and interests of the children you read with. Let me tell you what we're going to do. So what makes picture stories unique? We expect children's books to be illustrated, right? Well, in picture stories, the illustrations play an especially large role. Have a look at this page from a book titled Cheer Up Mouse. I've temporarily removed the illustration for this demonstration. Take a moment and read the text. Now I'll add the illustration. Wow, the words alone are not sufficient for interpreting the story. Illustrations are. You can easily locate picture storybooks at the library and in the online catalog by their call number. The San Francisco Public Library has labeled these books JPS. This stands for Juvenile. You can find them on the spine labels of books and in the online catalog. You're probably wondering why this is important for you. You will see shortly that JPS call numbers are going to make your keyword searches more powerful. You're probably very experienced with searching using keywords. Every time you search in Google, you're searching with keywords. Google makes it easy. With so many search results, something usually matches what you're thinking. So you may have never thought about how keyword searches actually work. All right, can everybody see that we are on the library's website? Can I have a thumbs up or a smiley face? I'm going to hover over Books and Materials, and I'm going to select Classic Catalog. I'm going to demonstrate two keyword searches. For the first, and we can see that in the search results, we get a brief description of each item. We can see there's a title, the author, a physical description, and here's the call number. This first item, What Elephants Know, is a JF book. This is a juvenile fiction. This is a chapter book. And 5 Elephants is a nonfiction. Can you see the Dewey Decimal number for the call number? So this would be a very time-consuming process to hunt through the 500 to 600 items looking for juvenile picture stories, the JPSs. So we can improve our search very simply by adding JPS to our keyword. So back at the top in the search box, next to elephants, I'll type JPS, search, and can you think of any keywords such as this example? Feel free to go ahead and just type it in the chat box. Anything that comes to mind. Let your imagination go wild. What about dogs or dragons? Why not pancakes or trucks? Berries, sure, pigs. Great, thank you, everyone. To come up with engaging and creative ideas, you can use keyword search for picture stories that relate to a child's life experiences, such as losing a tooth, or bedtime, going to school, and making friends. To create keyword searches using these ideas, you'll want to think about which words you use for your keyword search. I'll demonstrate why this is important. Back at our search box, let's say that I want a picture story about taking a bath. Watch what happens when I search for taking a bath JPS. Why are there some words highlighted in red? Well, the library catalog is highlighting the words within this record that match my keyword search, the exact words I typed in the search box. Can you guys help and suggest a better or a more improved word that's going to help us with our search? What's the most important word we need to use from the general idea? From the demonstration, you observe that by adding JPS to your keyword, all the search results are picture stories. We also started to explore how keywords can be used to find picture storybooks that relate to a child's life experiences. And these books can be used to help children cope with difficult issues. We're going to practice developing our ideas into effective keywords. In a moment, we're going to work together and brainstorm. Everyone's going to use their text tool and type their keyword suggestions. At the end of the activity, everyone will select a keyword that interests them, and then we'll search the library catalog. Have a look at this table. Let's have a look at what we've got going. I see some really great ideas. So, in a moment, you will begin your search in the library catalog. Though this will only take a few minutes, you'll find the new search tips very useful. Let's review what you're going to do. Number one, you'll go to the classic catalog. For those of you that are back, if you'd like, go ahead and type your keyword that you used in the chat box so we all know where you went. So we're going to move on because we're at the end of our session, and I'm just going to do a quick review. Illustration. Should anyone be interested, I have a PDF handout that includes the key points and instructions from today's session, as well as contact your local librarian. Thank you, everyone.